My maternal grandfather lived the last 60 years or so of his life with the effects of a traumatic brain injury. So all my life, I've been acutely aware of how brain injury can impact a person's life and their family. Sometimes brain injury is called the death of a person who's still living. Memory, reason, temperament, and personality may all be impaired in strange and inconsistent ways. Traits that were minor idiosyncrasies before may expand into debilitating obstacles. The effect may be devastating to a person's relationships, occupation, income, school performance, and overall quality of life. However, it may look just fine physically and may seem normal in casual encounters. To make matters worse, friends, family members, co-workers, and employers may not understand or sympathize with an injury they cannot see. Employment and marriages both often fail. A person who was functioning at a very high level before may still function as well as most of the population, but compared to their high function before they got hurt, has suffered a tremendous loss. When a person suffers multiple serious physical injuries, the focus is often on those and not on the brain injury that is not readily visible. So that's often overlooked with sinister outcomes. Broken bones can heal, but the unseen injury of a bruised brain may never fully recover. Fortunately, here in Atlanta, we have two great brain injury rehab facilities, the Shepherd Center and the Emory Traumatic Brain Injury Rehab Program. Both are excellent. Now, we've represented a lot of folks with brain injuries who benefited greatly from both of those programs, and we've enjoyed working with their teams in documenting injuries and developing life care plans. Recently, we were representing a traumatic brain injury survivor whose church sponsored a charity run to benefit the family. I ran the race with his therapist from Shepherd. They were a lot younger and faster, but I won my age group. I was the only one that old running. In brain injury cases, a big part of our job is setting up the structure to protect and administer the money we recover for the injured person. When we see that there is a possibility of adequate financial recovery, we bring in a guardianship and special needs trust specialist early on at no additional cost to the client to make sure that everything is set up right from the beginning. Now, we're close to both Shepherd and Emory. If a family member has had a traumatic brain injury, give us a call. I would be happy to meet with you either here or at your home or at either hospital, so you don't have to leave the loved one's side. I look forward to talking with you.